Hey guys, today we're going to go over how you can sell your item on OpenSea for the first time. There is a small fee that it costs, but luckily if you have a protagonist already, it should be fairly cheap because it's on the Polygon network, usually much cheaper fees. And it's very simple. I'll show you how to do it. OpenSea does have a small account initialization fee, as I mentioned. That's why you might be like, what? Why can't I sell it? So let me show you how you're going to go ahead and do it. So first things first, you're just going to go on to your actual NFT. You're going to click sell. You're going to put in your amount, let's say 0.1 Ethereum, or you can put in any amount. If you're doing this ahead of time, just put in like 1 Ethereum or something if you don't really want to sell it. You're going to press complete listing. It's going to say unlock currency here. Now you press that unlock currency. It's going to give you an estimated gas fee. For example, my friend's here, his said it cost him 0.001385 Ethereum. Now, you might think, well, I already have Ethereum, but it might not be Ethereum on the Polygon network, and that's the thing. It's very weird and not how it works. And I tried transferring Ethereum before I knew from my main to the Polygon chain on Coinbase, and that really doesn't work. So trust me, if you transfer to Polygon from Ethereum on Coinbase, not the same thing. What you want to do is go here to ramp.network, links down below. You're going to go and find your USD or whatever currency you want if you're not from the US. You're going to find Ethereum, but you want to use MAETH, Matic Ethereum combined, so Ethereum on the Polygon chain. So you can also look up MAETH if you'd like. You're going to want to get about $10 worth right now, which would be 00215. I'd say that's the easiest amount. Just make sure you're covered, or you can put in the exact amount you need. Just try to compensate a little bit. $10 is usually fine. You're going to put in your email address, then you're going to put in your information, and you're going to put in your wallet code. Click proceed, go back to OpenSea, unlock that currency. It's going to take about 10 minutes once you pay that fee, and you're good to go. Sell unlimited. The fee is a one-time thing for selling, and then you can buy and sell all you want. It's really easy. So yeah, see you guys later. Keep trading and keep going, and see you.